In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a form in Jotform. First, log into your Jotform account. On your dashboard, you will see a list of all the forms you've created. Find the form you want to duplicate and hover your mouse over it. At the far end of the Forms row, you'll see a More button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then scroll down and click on the Clone option. Once selected, a duplicate of your form will be created and automatically opened in a new tab. This newly cloned form will look exactly the same as the original one. It will include the same layout, questions, design, and settings. However, the submissions count for this new form will be 0, since it's considered a completely new form. Now return to your Jotform homepage and you'll see the cloned form listed there alongside the original. If you go into the clone, you'll be able to customize it as needed. You can add new elements from the left-hand side panel or update the design using the options available on the right-hand side of the screen. By default, the title of the new form will be Clone of, followed by the name of the original form. If you'd like to rename it, click on the Settings tab and enter a new name. Changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to manually save. Once you've renamed the form, return to your homepage and you'll see both the original and the duplicated form listed separately. This is how you can quickly and easily duplicate a form in Jotform.